Our friends over at MPC Kinetic asked us to help them with a custom truck wrap based on artwork created by school kids in the Pilbara. This original artwork was painted by Xian from Nullagin Primary School and is called Working Together. The art was scanned at high resolution and then digitally printed to suit a truck. Once the printed vinyl has outgassed for 48 hours, we laminate and prepare to install. Wrap vinyl has to be installed precisely so that it stays in the recesses of a vehicle. We trim carefully around windows and handles to give a clean fit. The truck is now ready to make its journey to the Pilbara.